Hi, I'm Veronica at Stash, and today I want to teach you how to work a single crochet stitch into your foundation row. I want to talk about working your foundation row. A pattern may tell you to crochet, single crochet, or double crochet into your foundation row. And the trick to that is you're only going to be crocheting into the top of that chain stitch, not the full thing. You're going to have to learn later on that extra technique. We'll show you how to do that. It's pretty fun. So first what we're going to do is we pick up our work and get situated. What I'm looking for is my usual nice little triangle of tension, and I'm coming out of this chain, so I have to skip that one. And this is technically the first one I'm going to be working. I'm going to put my hook in for a single crochet, yarn over once, pull through. What? I got two things on my hook. This is where things get fun with crochet. You want to yarn over a second time and pull through both of them. This is why we don't want to be tugging on our working yarn too much and making those stitches too tight, because it's going to be really hard to pull through too. I'm going to show that to you again. Single crochet into your foundation row. I like to root around sometimes to make sure that little area is clear. Pop the tip of that hook in, yarn over once, pull through, yarn over a second time, pull through again. Okay, now I have my last chain to work. The slip knot is right here. Remember, you don't want to work into that slip knot. It's just too tight, it's a mess. We're looking for that healthy chain in front. And there, I have single crochet. Now you'll notice it's kind of twirly. It has a bit of a different tension. Your chain foundation row will not always have the same tension. That's totally okay. It may twirl around you and corkscrew a little bit at first and look like a funny little worm. Also okay. That actually means you did a great job. So hats off on single crochet into a foundation row.